First, we need to assemble garbage collector. Done! First, we have to fill it. Garbage collector. Press the pump. Ready. Let's clean up the trash. It's time to head for the port. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. There is a coral reef ahead. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. We have to assemble split barge. Keep it up. Let's load the materials into split barge. Don't stop. Let's make the island base. And now let's repair. Split, let's weld a crack on the ship. Let's sand the welding seam. And now let's paint the stain. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble a stacker ship and a barge. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Stacker ship. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build the breakwaters. It's time to head for the port. We're approaching right rudder. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Pull the lever down to sound a blast to it. An island directly ahead. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. First, let's assemble a dredger and a barge. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Dredger. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's fill in the island. Let's repair. We need to straighten the screw. Keep it up. We need to assemble. Container ship. That's all. Fill it. Container ship. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's load the materials into container ship. We did it! Let's reinforce the shores. First, we need to assemble ship carrier. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Ship carrier. Pump. Don't stop. Let's add some plants. Let's wash. Ship carrier. That's all. We need to assemble a crane ship and a cargo ferry. You're doing really great. Filling. Crane ship. Pump. We did it! Let's build a sea cafe. And now let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. Let's paint the anchor and chain with protective paint. Hooray! We need to assemble. Blue barge. Amazing! And now, let's load the materials into blue barge. We did it! Let's build the pier. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. There is a coral reef. There are rocks directly ahead. Right rudder. There's an island on our way. Left rudder. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Let's repair. Red bar. Let's straighten the screw. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Red barge. Press the pump. You're doing really great. And now, let's load the materials into red barge. You're doing really great. Let's place the electrical cabinet. We have to assemble cable laying ship. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Cable laying ship. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's connect the electricity. Let's Watch, cable laying ship. Don't stop. And now, let's repair. We need to weld a crack on the ship. Let's grind the welding seam. Let's paint the stain from the seam. Ready. Let's load the materials into yellow barge. Done. Let's prepare for the guests. The construction of the Sea Cafe is complete. It's a nice place to enjoy an ice cream while relaxing on hot days.